This is what transitional dressing is all about. Let's style the runway the short way on my 5'2" stature. This week we're taking on the see-through skirt trend spotted across spring-summer 2024 catwalks, such as Brandon Maxwell, Carven, and Erdem. I don't have a transparent skirt, so we're gonna work with this vintage sheer maxi dress that has this amazing handmade flower print. Let's take a cue from Brandon Maxwell and fellow shorty Taylor Grace and pair this with a sweater. Going for this open knit sweater that's very brat. It's not working. We need something that is way more oversized, has structure, and is longer. And this is way too oversized. I don't have the right sweater for this, so let's switch gears and try an oversized shirt like we saw in 16 Arlington. Simple, low heel sandals. To top it all off, these white cat-eye sunnies. I want to like this look so badly, but something about the color of the skirt and the top is just not working. So let's just cut our losses and move on. Let's see if I can pull off the see-through skirt trend look with this handmade crochet dress that my grandma made. Trying out the sweater and dress combo again. The sweater has a really good shape and is a great length, but it's too close in texture to the skirt, so I'm unsure about it. Let's try these pointed toe heels. Mismatch pearl earrings. Is my name even Luani if I don't wear cat-eye sunnies? Opting for the white and gold vintage handbag. Cute, ladylike, comfy, but I feel very bottom heavy and I don't like it. I'm going to try to cheat the length of the skirt, aka the dress, by tucking it into this elastic belt under the sweater. All right, this is looking so much better. Let's see what it looks like if I pull it past my knees. The proportions on this are way better. I am obsessed with Carven's look number 1, so we're gonna pretend it's not the middle of summer. And I'm gonna throw on a button-up shirt and a trench coat. We definitely don't need this button-up shirt. This is so much better. Let's lighten up the load with the earrings. These hoops are more like it. I think we got it. I'm really happy with it, but what do you think? I realized I had a see-through skirt as part of a set that my grandma crocheted. Look at that detail. I was just looking up the stylist for the Erdem show because the looks are like so on point, and of course it was Tabitha Simmons. Her work is impeccable, and I am a huge fan of what she did for look 32. So let's try something similar and pair the skirt with a button-up shirt and a moto jacket. The jacket's too small and the shirt's too oversized. I'm gonna try this black bodysuit underneath. I was going to clip the skirt back because it is pretty big on me, but I think we can just ride it low like so. Is this something? I think this is something, right? I have to pull up the skirt because the clip is totally showing. And now it doesn't look as cool. I used the stitch gun in 3 different spots, on both my sides and the back. Before we go on, let's put on these black sandals. This is our foundation. Leather jacket or button-up shirt. Sticking with the leather jacket, now let's do accessories. Trying out the It Girl combo of the headband and hoops. And for a necklace, I'm gonna do this black cutie one, adding a pair of cat-eye sunglasses. I have never styled a look like this before. It is very cool. I like it a lot. What do you think? The inspo is Sakai look number 18, styled by Carl Templer, and Anitska Tiger look 22. I'm using this transparent dress lining. I want to try a bunch of different styles this time. So we're gonna rapid fire trying on a button-up shirt, cardigan, sweater, and blazer. Let's go. I think I need to let go of the button-up idea. No, this one has potential. Immediate, no. Slip over a slip. I like the bottom part a lot, so let's try throwing on a sweater. It's not awful, but it's also not it. We got it, shorties. Super simple. It works though, so let's just accessorize it and finish it out. For shoes, I'm gonna do these stilettos with socks. As for jewelry, I'm gonna go with my classic gold hoops. For shades, I'm going with these yellow lensed glasses. And to finish it up, I'm going with this vintage beauty. There we have it. What do we think?